Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on XRP, in which we, I would not say we have bad news, but XRP is losing some strength here, which I personally am not too worried about. I mean, I've basically said this in every video, but it is something you really need to recognize and something you need to remember. I mean, if you keep an eye on XRP. And you compare it to other altcoins, there is no altcoin that still looks this bullish, right? I mean, XRP could technically drop down all the way to 1.75 right now, and that is a drop of about, from current prices, that's a drop of about 20%, even though altcoins look quite bottomed. Not the entire altcoin market cap, but a lot of altcoins do. But XRP could still fall down 20%, and we would still on the daily time frame be considered bullish, and therefore it's just holding on extremely well. And I think you can even see that in XRP against Bitcoin, which is also, as you can see here, it's holding on, even though the Bitcoin dominance for almost this entire period of time has been going up. So in general, fundamentally, I'm still very bullish on XRP. The one thing that I don't like, or the one thing that's slightly bearish here is that the main levels that we've been talking about with XRP are 2.2, which is the value area low, and then around 2.6, which is the range high, with a value area high at around 2.55. And we've dropped down below that. And in general, and that's the main thing I don't really like. I'm not saying it's a problem. I think we'll be fine, to be fair. Mainly also because of those fundamentals. but no, I mean, basically since Friday, we have not really seen any momentum come into the price of XRP. And if we actually do want to, I mean, if you take a look at all the other times that, for example, this support level was defended around 2.2, or when we managed to reclaim it, all the times we actually did have some momentum. So we're essentially waiting for that. And right now it seems a little bit more like XRP is being continuously and methodically being sold off, which, like I said, if you zoom out, is not a problem. But if you care about the short-term price action of XRP, which I think in general you should not do unless you're trading it, intraday trading it, because swing trading I wouldn't even be worried about this. But yeah, so it's fine, but there are some things that I don't necessarily like. There's also not a lot of volume coming in. So what's going to be crucial over the course of today is that US opening. All right, now the S&P 500 is trading slightly higher pre-market right now. So that's usually somewhat of a good sign that we can also get some bullish momentum in the US session. But the main thing that we're waiting for here, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, like 1 hour time frame, you can also see, I mean, this is starting to look a bit like a downtrend. And that's not a problem. Like I said, we still have a lot of support right here at 2.15, and otherwise we have a lot of support at $2. But if we do not get that bidding coming in from or during the US session, then we will drop down lower. All right, so basically the two scenarios are, if we don't get the bidding, we'll just continue this slow sell-off into 2.15, into 2.05, into $2, and then we'll find support somewhere along the line right there. Basically, we're waiting for one of those levels to give us some sort of a bottom confirmation, volume, open interest, whatever. And if we do see some bidding coming in from the US, so if we see a relatively strong Bitcoin break above 96,000, for example, then we will just easily make this a bear trap. We'll break back above 2.25, and then we can actually move into the 2.4 and 2.5 area again. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I would say this is slightly more likely because of what I expect from Bitcoin. Could still drop down a bit lower, but before we actually complete this bear trap. But no, that's essentially what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and have a great day. Bye.